SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph, which explicitly is genuinely huge. SLP truly faces our position at $0.003, which explicitly is very critical. Smooth love mixture especially is buy and buy esteemed at $0.003 backing for the buy, and large bears especially has been laid out at $0.003 17 December 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through especially smooth love elixir cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and generally which certainly is very critical. Smooth love elixir support and opposition levels and so on in an essentially significant manner. In any case, prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the SLP specialized examination, generally let us in every practical sense discuss the fundamentally current economic situations in an extremely significant manner. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there by and large, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to $1,590,508,773,070 in a quite huge manner. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $47,266,939,707 in a truly significant manner. Bitcoin shares 51.6% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they fundamentally thought. Which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $41,931.87 level after a decay of 1.69% in a by and large significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a value diminishing of 1.26%, coming to $2,227.65 during the past 24 hours in a very large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.32, following a value change of 1.39% within a similar time period in a very significant manner. XRP, the in every practical sense, local coin of XRP really is somewhere near 0.87 and at present exchanging at 62 cents, which explicitly shows that yet prior to jumping profound into the SLP specialized examination, generally let us especially discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, or so they all things considered, thought. Furthermore, Solana came to $73.24 subsequent to seeing a decay of 4.71% in esteem, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. These occasions really show that the market essentially is going in an every practical sense, descending course for exceptionally momentary and in every practical sense, large way. As of now, a genuinely broad really bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market and in every practical sense, huge way. Smooth love mixture backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized pointers used to recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, kind of additional appearance. How XRP, this sort of local coin of XRP for the most part is somewhere near 0.87 and at present exchanging at 62 cents. Which basically shows that yet prior to jumping extremely profound into the SLP specialized examination, by and large, let us discuss the really current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Support truly is a level at which purchasers truly become basically more genuinely dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, truly further appearance, how pretty smooth love mixture support and opposition levels and so forth, or so they really thought. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which dealers really become move commonly dynamic and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from moving certainly higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following for the most part are the help and obstruction levels of fundamentally smooth love mixture, SLP, in every practical sense, smooth love elixir execution the day-to-day outline of in every way that really matters. Smooth love elixir basically shows that the SLP cost truly has in all things considered, descending development with a 1.18% diminishing in sort of beyond 24 hours. Which generally is very critical. The value worth of the genuinely smooth love elixir, SLP, coin generally is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars, or so they really thought. SLP cost changes 4.08% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume sort of is drifting around $10,395,115 United States dollars, exhibiting how smooth love elixir generally is as of now esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the buy, and large bears especially, has been laid out at $0.003. 17 December 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through exceptionally smooth love mixture cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these much of the time basically clarified some pressing issues, facts, what certainly is most certainly transient cost expectation for fundamentally smooth love mixture, really is SLP a sort of wise venture? Which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Smooth love mixture value investigation SLP cost examination for 17 December 2023, inside and in every practical sense, day-to-day time period fundamentally made sense of underneath, which in a real sense is very critical. We utilize kind of relative strength index RSI, moving especially normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including fundamentally straightforward moving in every practical sense. Normal, SMA, and dramatic moving commonly normal, EMA, to especially break down the future development of the by and large smooth love mixture, further appearance how especially smooth love elixir value examination SLP cost examination for 17 December 2023, inside an essentially day-to-day time span in every way that really matters, made sense of underneath in a truly significant manner. The in every practical sense, relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the SLP coin explicitly is close oversold zone, as RSI fundamentally is at 34, so essentially smooth love mixture value examination SLP cost investigation for 17 December 2023, inside a day-to-day time span, basically made sense of beneath, which in a real sense is very huge. The MACD line basically is remaining beneath of the really signal line after a hybrid, showing how yet prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the SLP specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us especially discuss the sort of current economic situations in an especially significant manner. Smooth love mixture financial backers need to sort of sit tight for any directional change over the kind of day-to-day diagram, exhibiting that truly smooth love elixir financial backers need to essentially hang tight for any directional change over the very everyday outline, or so they generally thought. While SLP's Williams percent R pointer explicitly is at 73.578 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange truly signal for the most part is really conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that XRP the by and large local coin of XRP explicitly is somewhere near 0.87 and right now exchanging at 62 cents. Which fundamentally shows that however prior to plunging extremely profound into the SLP specialized examination, essentially let us for the most part discuss the sort of current economic situations in a genuinely significant manner. As per the ordinary turn, the pivotal prompt opposition for SLP may generally be fundamentally found at 0.0